Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to tell you tales from a farm. One day, an old bear was padding softly through a forest. Suddenly, a low-flying bird swerved to avoid hitting the bear. Instead, the bird struck a tree and fell to the ground. The bear lost no time in grabbing the bird between his teeth. Then he stood up and displayed his catch to all in the forest. It had been a long time since the bear had caught anything. The animals in the forest had teased him because of that. The bear then made his way to his lair. Along the way, he decided to take a longer route home. He wanted to show off his catch to as many jungle animals as possible. A fox saw the bear. He wanted the bird in the bear's mouth. The crafty fox hit on a plant. I wonder which direction the wind is blowing. The bear knew what the fox wanted to do. He remained silent. You used to be able to tell, but I guess you no longer can. The fox, the cunning fox, continued. In the end, the bear could not remain quiet. The fox grabbed the dead bird and made off with the bear's catch. This is the end of the video. If you like it, subscribe. If you don't like it, comment down below and I will improve.